Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see FPS in Minecraft without F3. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let me just go ahead and open up a game right here, and then I'm going to press F3 real quick. And as you can see, we have these information right here, like the memory, allocation rate, block, chunk facing east, or whatever, debug charts. And at the very bottom, okay, of debug charge, right, the bottom left you have, it says here, to edit, press F3 and F6 simultaneously. Again, F3 plus F6. And then you'll have this settings menu, right? So what you're going to want to do in here is just find FPS. Now, instead of showing it an overlay or off, you're going to want to tap on or set it to always. Now, you can go ahead and change whatever you want right here. Let's say you wanted to add GPU utilization or maybe memory, show always. So just click on done and then press F3 again. And here you have it. Now, FPS, GPU, and memory are now shown. So that's how simple it is to see FPS in Minecraft without F3. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.